All right, he's 11 years old now, but he was 10 when he penned his book of short stories, and they're ready to be launched today. I'm so proud to say that the author of Myself as a River, Jonathan Dixon, is with me now. Good morning, Jonathan.
Morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. Talk to me about this book. What inspired you to write this book of short stories?
See, the first story, Myself as a River, it was inspired by my grade 4 teacher, Miss Hewitt, because she gave me an essay to write about the topic Myself as a River. And after seeing it, she was so impressed. She told me to publish it in the Children's Zone.
Wow.
But then my father said that if I wrote 4 more short stories, then he'll turn it into a book.
And so you got to task and started writing them. Writing isn't easy. Did you have fun writing
Yes,
them?
I had fun.
You had fun. All right, so it's Myself as a River, and it's about Dunn's River. Tell me about that. Like, did you go to Dunn's River before writing the story? Did you read about it? How did the story come about?
I went to Dunn's River before.
So it's about your experience and so on.
It
All right.
was fun.
Then you have The Butterfly Princess.
That's
What
right.
inspired The Butterfly Princess?
See, what really inspired it the most is my 6-year-old sister, Destiny.
So Destiny's a star because she has a story written about her. Was she excited to know you wrote about her? That's her favorite story in the book.
Probably.
Probably. The New Kid, which is always difficult being the new kid. Tell me about the new kid.
See, it's based on like real life, like because so many children are getting like abused and killed, and it's not good.
Yeah, yeah. You know, sometimes these things happen and we don't know how it affects children when they hear the sad news and the bad news. And this is one of the ways that you're expressing yourself in this book. And then this fourth story, My Trip to Antarctica. You went to Antarctica?
No.
Oh, wow. Okay, I'd be so jealous. Talk to me about my trip to Antarctica.
The thing is, so we went overseas last year, I think it was, and we went to SeaWorld,
Wow.
where they have this Antarctica exhibit, where we
Okay.
saw live penguins, and that's what inspired me to
write it. All right, my love. So what's going to be happening today? They're launching the book today?
That's right.
That's right. And where is it going to be for those who want to purchase?
Where the book's going to be selling?
Yes, it says May 7. You're going to be doing it at Meadowbrook?
That's right.
That's right. So people can...
Meadowbrook United Church.
Meadowbrook United Church. So make sure. It's great when kids tell their own story because it resonates with their age group. And the children will love to read it. Jonathan is an 11-year-old Christian. He's an honor roll student, by the way, at Meadowbrook Prep School. His favorite subjects are, you're not going to believe it, science and integrated studies. I know you're expecting to hear English. He attained an average of 99.25% in grade 3. And he aspires to become an author and a television producer. So look out for young Jonathan. Thank you so much for being, and congratulations on your first book.
Thank you.
We hope to see many more, young Jonathan.
You will see many more.
I will see many more. I believe that. So myself as a river at gmail.com. If you're not able to go to the launch, email myself as a river at gmail.com and get a great read for your kids this summer. This is Smile Jamaica. We'll be back.